Hi, Richard from the One Stop Nature Shop, and first of all thank you very much for purchasing your binoculars from us. At point of sale sometimes people are so excited they miss out on the instructions on how to use the binocular, so here's a couple of useful tips. Obviously take off the objective covers so you can see through clearly, and on the top of the binocular there will be a rain guard which we'll have usually fitted for you so that it hangs off the lanyard. You then have the rubber eye cups. Up if you're not wearing spectacles, but if you're wearing spectacles then the eye cups come down, and that will then give you the right distance from your eye to the binocular so that you don't get blacking out. Apart from that, you've just got the centre focus and then the individual eye diopter, which is usually on the right hand side of the eyepiece. So look through the binocular using the centre focus, close your left eye, and with your right eye move the diopter around until it becomes nice and sharp. That will then take up any difference for your eyes and actually tune the binocular in for yourself really. Apart from that, just pop outside, use them and enjoy. And one small tip about actually looking at birds, instead of looking down at your binoculars and then lifting them up like that, keep your eye on the bird and lift the binoculars to your eye, and then you'll be spot on to it. So I hope you enjoy your binoculars. Our telephone number will be on your receipt. It's 01485 211 223. If you've got any queries, please phone us. We're open every day from 10 till 5. And thank you once again.